Wondering if you can delete your Cash App transaction history? The short answer is no. Cash App does not allow users to manually delete individual transactions from their history. This is because every transaction is part of your account's permanent financial record for legal and security reasons. However, if you want to clear all of your data from Cash App, you can delete your account entirely. Here's how. Log into your Cash App account at cash.app/account using a web browser. Click Account at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Under Security and Privacy, scroll down and click Download your info if you want a copy of your data. To delete your personal info, go to your profile, scroll to Support, then navigate to Account and Settings. Open the article titled Delete Your Personal Information and choose Chat to begin the deletion process. Once your account is deleted, all associated transaction history is erased from your view. But keep in mind, some data may be retained for compliance and regulatory reasons. That's the only way to truly clear your transaction history on Cash App.